First, clamp the inlet hose. Then, unlock the cuvette holder, unscrew the cuvette, and replace the holder. Using a mild detergent, thoroughly clean both the inside and the outside of the cuvette, making sure to properly rinse it afterwards. Dry the outside of the cuvette by damping it with a paper towel. Unlock the cuvette holder and remove it from the instrument. Use a microfiber cloth to make sure not to touch the cuvette with your fingers. Reattach the cuvette to the holder. Insert the holder in the instrument, then lock it. Release the inlet hose clamp.